Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You can install conventional ducts for a central air system in homes built without them if you're willing to sacrifice closet space and box in corners of rooms. Mini duct systems send high-velocity air through small, round ducts that can be snaked through walls or between floor joists.
Take our lead.
To be fair, you can choose to only turn on the window units in certain rooms instead of cooling the whole house. But on a square footage cooled basis, central air is the more efficient option. The largest portion of the average homeowner's electricity cost is for cooling, so this is certainly worth considering.
Let's help you make your mark.
One appraisal estimate in Money Magazine says that installing a new central air conditioning system will increase your property value by 10%. Our agents modify this a bit, noting that while they would price a home with central AC higher than one without, the pricing depends on other market conditions.
Make your mark, take our lead.
While any form of installing central air in a house without ducts will require some cutting and modifications, using a high-velocity or mini-split system can provide a much less intrusive, more economical solution in many cases.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.